Hi, it's Anthony again, and it's the 1 year anniversary of my purchase of this Kawasaki Versys-X. So, even though it's not sunny and it's kind of raining off and on, in fact, even spitting a little snow once in a while, I thought I should go out for a ride today. And so that's what I did. And I thought maybe I could ride up to one of the lower campgrounds in the area. So I tried a couple of them, and I wasn't able to get in there because there was snow across the road. And so I would ride up to the snow and carefully turn around. And this is the last one for the day. It's getting dark and I've got to head home. This is the Robinson Lake campground. And I thought, well, the advertisement for this bike did say any road, any time. So, hey, what the heck? Let's just keep going. And besides, hey, it doesn't look that bad, right? I've just got to ride in this little track. Just got to keep the bike right here in this little track, and I should be able to get right on down to the campground. And so that's the premise that we're operating off of, and we're just going to keep going and head on down to the Robinson Lake campground in this nice little paved track. And I'm not exceeding 10 miles an hour. I'm only going 7, so I'm obeying the speed limits. I'm being a good person. And I come around the corner to this little bump sign, and guess what? My little track narrows up to nothing, and now what it is ice with water on top and snow on the sides. And yeah, I could turn around, but where? And besides, like I said earlier, any road, any time, 1 year anniversary. And I've got the TKC-80s on here now, so I think we should just keep going. What do you think? Well, that's what we're going to do. Keep going. And so here's what happened. Yeah, you guessed it. The road got a little bit worse. But seriously, we're committed now. So we're just going to keep going. And like I said, any road, any time. And this is a road and it's a time. So there's no reason that we shouldn't be able to go. Right? Yeah, we're spinning just a little bit there every once in a while, but a light hand on the throttle, and we're not spinning too much. And fortunately, not spinning in the areas where it's ice covered with water. Whew. That's a little slick. The trick is, how do we turn around? Thinking right up under those trees. Little too light on the throttle there, folks. But it's okay. I'll get it right the second time.
scratching my nose. Okay. That was a fun little detour. I definitely wouldn't want to try on the stock tires.